they don't care. Media la kitang phalo. Sumla kitang phalo. Then why should we join back? What is a good reason for us to agree to this popular government? For me, they are popular in killing us. They are popular in murdering us. They are popular making us homeless. They are popular in capturing our own properties in the valley. Amahon valley ko pat sa a capture wataso. Patak sa a capture din ay hoyin, ay tintang pain. Ay hoyin it village le I boundary le I buffer zone ko pataka igato taso. Ay zola way so. Ay zola wa ay koy telo nungo bangzi ka el vakun lut kidi. Why should we bow down? Why should we bow down? Me hinati way to separate administration so namudiw hinam. Are you going to get this? For me, they're not going to give it to us. We have to get it from them. Tuale iki separate. Oh, we are separated. We don't live together. We don't choose to cross paths with them. We stood our ground. Bang able they cannot do anything. They can't put a rope around our neck and pull us back to the valley. No, we choose not to go there. Then we have fought for 2.5 years, almost 2.5 years, separated from them, not depending on the valley. Why should we compromise? Even thinking of going back and forming a government with